Let's learn Joyful Feeling. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4 beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Joyful Feeling. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a K step. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. You're going to step your left foot back into the left back diagonal, touch your right next to your left. Step your right foot back into the right back diagonal, touch your left next to your right, and then we're going to step our left foot forward, and you're going to step your right next to your left, taking weight on both feet with slightly bent knees to go into the next section. Now, if you like to add claps in, you can add claps on every touch. So when you're doing your K step, you'll go step, touch and clap, back, touch and clap, back, touch and clap, forward step together. And then you'll be ready to go into that next part. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your K step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a ramble to the right and the left. So with slightly bent knees, we're going to rotate both heels to the right, both toes to the right, both heels to the right. You're going to hold and clap. We're now going to rotate both heels to the left, both toes to the left, both heels to the left, slightly lifting your right heel off the ground, and you're going to hold and clap. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is split between both feet with slightly bent knees. You're doing your ramble. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine to the right. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do side touches. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. Now, if you would like, you can make that vine a rolling vine. So you would go quarter, half, quarter, touch, and then do your side touches. When I do my side touches, I kind of like to sway with them a little bit so you can add some extra styling in. So let's try that with some counts. I'm going to do the regular grapevine. You can make it turn if you would like. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a grapevine quarter turn. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do a heeled V step. So you're going to take your right heel, place it into the right diagonal, taking weight onto that right heel. You're now going to place your left heel into the left diagonal, taking weight onto your left heel. Step your right foot back and then step your left next to your right, and then you'll be ready to start over again with your K step. Now, for the song Let the Holidays Come On In, I like to bring my hands up so I look like a snowflake when I do that heeled V step. So when you're doing it, when that right heel goes out, your right hand goes out. When your left heel goes out, your left hand goes out. And then you will break each one down as you step back. So you would go out, out, in, and those hands will match. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your grapevine quarter turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left starting with your K step. So it's forward diagonal touch, back diagonal touch, back diagonal touch, forward together. Heels, toes, clap, heels, toes, clap. Grapevine to the right, side touch, grapevine quarter turn, heel V step out, out, in. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your K step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I did list an alternate song that is not a holiday song. It is Shake Your Boots, also by Rayland. That will also have no tags, and no restarts. There is a fun option that you can do on wall 6 where you freeze for 8 counts instead of doing your K-step, and then you go into your rambles. If you don't want to freeze, even though it says it in the music, you could just do the K-step and continue on and just dance it all the way through. When you are doing it with the original holiday song, it ends facing 12 o'clock. You will do your final ramble and then you will do a pose. If you're choosing to do the alternate song, it ends facing the side wall and you will do your ramble and then you will just end by stepping to the front. And that is how you can end facing 12 o'clock, or you can end to the side, it doesn't matter. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your K-step. So it's forward touch, back touch, step together. Heels, toes, clap, heels, toes, heels, clap. Grapevine to the right, side touch. Grapevine quarter, turn, heel, key step, out, and in, K-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, back, touch, step together. Heels, toes, heels, toes, heels. Grapevine to the right side, touch. Grapevine quarter, turn, heel, key step, out, and in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, whichever song you choose to use, or both, it's a lot of fun and it's really cute, so I hope that you enjoy it. If you are choosing to use the Shake Your Boots, there's a lot of extra fun stuff that you can add on. Talks about do the pony and shake your knees and all this stuff, so you can have a lot of fun with both songs, but especially the Shake Your Boots. So feel free to try out that switch after the holiday season so that you can dance this dance all year long. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Joyful Feeling. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Let the holiday come on. Jingle, jingle bell rock, feeling